In a country that imports nearly 700,000 vehicles every year, Innocent Chukwuma dared to be different. He refused to be intimidated by the odds. "I cannot live more than 10 days without working," he once said. "I want to prove that you can grow from anywhere." Africa is still a fertile land filled with opportunities. In 2007, he made a bold move, founding Innoson Motors, Nigeria's very first indigenous car manufacturing brand. But this dream did not start with cars. After failing to secure admission to further his studies, Chukwuma ventured into trading motorcycle spare parts with a humble capital of just 3,000 naira. From outsmarting competitors in the spare parts import market to building Nigeria's largest automobile factory, his journey is nothing short of remarkable. He began as a motorcycle spare parts dealer and soon moved into selling motorcycles themselves. Observing the Nigerian market in the late 1970s, he saw opportunities others missed. Born the youngest of 6 children to Mr. and Mrs. Chukwuma Mojeku on October 1st, 1961, Innocent grew up in Nnewi, Anambra State. His father was a civil servant, his mother a homemaker. After completing secondary school in 1978, he applied to study engineering at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. While waiting for his admission results, 17-year-old Innocent worked in his elder brother's medicine store. It was here he discovered his natural gifts for business. When the admission results came, he had not met the cutoff mark, and so he turned his attention to other opportunities. In 1979, he became an apprentice under Chief Romanus Ezionwoka, popularly known as Rogeni, the biggest motorcycle spare parts dealer in Nnewi at the time. It was a golden opportunity to learn from the best. After just 6 months, Innocent returned to work with his elder brother, Gabriel, who registered Gabriel's International Limited for motorcycle spare parts trading. Gabriel gave him 3,000 naira, equivalent to about $9,000 then, as startup capital. By the end of his first year, Innocent had achieved what many would call a miracle. Gabriel's International was earning 10 times more than Gabriel's medicine store. Gabriel quickly joined him and they ran 2 thriving shops. In 1981, with support from his brother, Innocent launched his own motorcycle spare parts business with 20,000 naira. While others were content with local trading, he was studying the markets closely. He noticed Nigerians preferred fairly used Tokunbo motorcycles over brand new ones because of price. Big importers like Leventis and Yamaha shipped fully assembled motorcycles, fitting just 40 units into each 40-feet container. Innocent saw a smarter way. He ordered motorcycles in parts, packed up to 200 units per container and assembled them locally in Nnewi using Nigerian technicians. This not only cut import costs drastically, but created jobs. His pricing strategy disrupted the market. New motorcycles that used to cost 150,000 naira now sold for as low as 60,000 naira. Slowly, he pushed out the dominance of used motorcycles and made brand new ones affordable. By 1984, during Nigeria's economic challenges under the Buhari regime, Innocent expanded his sourcing to Asia, importing from Chinese brands designed to compete with Japanese giants like Yamaha and Suzuki. In 1987, these affordable models hit the Nigerian market, securing his dominance. In 1995, he opened Nigeria's first automated motorcycle assembly plant in Nnewi, but he didn't stop there. While studying motorcycle components, he realized many were made of plastic and could be produced locally. He acquired Eastern Plastics, an old state-owned company, modernized it, and in 2002 launched Innoson Technical and Industrial Limited, the largest plastic manufacturing plant in Nigeria. Initially producing motorcycle parts, it expanded into over 150 plastic products from household goods to PVC pipes, employing over 2,000 workers. But Innocent's vision went beyond motorcycles. He was determined to rid Africa of its dependence on imported used cars. By 2007, he founded Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing (IVM) in Nnewi. One reason for the shift was the saturation of the motorcycle market, now dominated dominated by Indians and other Nigerian traders. Securing a $500 million loan from GT Bank in 2009, he began building Nigeria's first indigenous car plant, though this deal would later spark one of his biggest business battles. During construction, tragedy struck. Gunmen kidnapped 3 workers, including 2 Chinese expatriates, one of whom died in captivity. It was a painful chapter, but Innocent pressed on. In October 2010, then President Goodluck Jonathan commissioned the plant. The first vehicles were buses, pickups, refuse trucks, and SUVs. To boost the young company, Anambra State Governor Peter Obi ordered 700 school buses, later followed by hundreds of pickups and SUVs for security and traditional rulers. IVM achieved 65 to 70% local content, importing only critical components like engines and transmissions from partners such as Nissan, Toyota, and Isuzu. However, his relationship with GT Bank soared. Innocent accused the bank of unlawfully withdrawing 786 million naira from his account, winning an 8 billion naira judgment against them. The bank countered with forgery allegations, leading to EFCC involvement and his arrest in 2017, which he claimed was intimidation for standing up to a powerful institution. Despite the legal battles, IVM grew. In 2014, it unveiled its first passenger cars, including the IVM Fox hatchback and IVM Umu sedan, priced from 1.5 million naira. These cars were built for Nigerian roads, easy to repair and fuel efficient. Though market acceptance was initially slow, the company adapted by producing vehicles mostly on pre-orders while keeping some models available at all times. Its lineup now includes sedans, MPVs, SUVs, tricycles, and as of 2024, its first electric vehicle, the IVM Eco, with a 330-kilometer range per charge. From a failed university admission to becoming Africa's foremost indigenous car maker, Innocent Chukwuma's journey is a testament to vision, resilience, and the belief that Africa can build for itself. This is Ebony People TV.